Hi, this is Josh from Excitex. This tutorial video is to show you how to pack and unpack a project in ProAnalyst.
Packing and unpacking projects in ProAnalyst is a very useful tool. There are a few reasons that you might want to pack a project. First, packing a project allows all files to be put into one location. This makes it much easier to share a project because you only have to share one file as opposed to multiple files. It also makes it much easier to organize because, again, everything is put into one single file. Also, when you pack a project, ProAnalyst compresses the file, making it consume less disk space. Here, I've created an example project with 4 different videos. Each video has different associated files with it. This first video just has some manual tracking of this player's foot. Second video has manual tracking of the player's foot, as well as some image processing. This third video just has some automatic tracking, and this last video has no associated files. To pack this project, we simply go over here and either click this button or go to File and choose Pack Project. It's important to save your project before you pack it, and ProAnalyst will prompt you if you haven't done so already. This is because, as you can see, the project file is actually packed in with the rest of the files. Now at this screen, you can choose which files you want to pack together. We're going to just pack everything together. However, it's important to know that your final packed project can't be larger than 2 GB. So this means that if you have very large video files, you don't want to pack them in with the rest of your files. Even if you don't pack the video files together with the rest of the project, you can still send them separately along with the packed project. Here, we can also add additional files. We don't have any additional files that we want to add right now. However, if you had external files, such as an Excel file with data or other data files, this is where you would add them. Now, to pack the project together, we just go here and click Pack. We're going to save the file just in a subfolder of our My Documents folder. We're going to call it Packed Project. Click Save, and now it's packing. So 18 items were packed successfully, and we're done. Now we're going to unpack the project that we just packed. This is a very simple process. We just go up here to File, choose Unpack Project, click Browse, and we're going to choose our packed project, and then choose a destination folder. Let's just put it on the desktop for now. Click OK, and then we click Unpack. The files were unpacked successfully. We click OK, and now we can click Open Project. And as you can see, all of our files are loaded together. So that's how you pack and unpack a project in ProAnalyst. Thanks for watching.